long has it been? Shall we get into it again? Excuse our disgrace, we've had no time to paint the place. The dog is always barking at.
Hi, what's up YouTube? It's Rennie here, aka Deluxe Ballas, and welcome to a new tutorial. But first I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I got over 2,000 now. It's pretty awesome, so please keep subscribing me for more videos. Thanks a lot. So many people asked me on YouTube how to get the jump mode for the campaign on Modern Warfare 2 and how to hack the single player. So I thought I'd make a new tutorial and how to do that. So yes, here we are. It takes 9 minutes. It's very long, I know, but the hack is very easy. So just let me explain it and watch it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is start Modern Warfare 2, go to the campaign, select any mission and start it.
Jeder Kampf gehört uns.
So if the level started, go and press start and save it. Then just leave Modern Warfare 2. Okay. So now we got the save data from Modern Warfare 2 with the saved mission. So now take a USB flash drive and plug it into your PlayStation 3. Then just copy the saved data to your USB flash drive. So, if you've done that, go to your computer. So here we are, and as you can see, here's a toolbar for Modern Warfare 2. I found that toolbar on nextgenupdate.com, and the creator is called The Unknown, and it's a great toolbar, and it's an easier way to hack the single player from Modern Warfare 2. I will show you that in a minute. But before you download the toolbar, the link is in the description, go to Google and type Net Framework 3.5 and go to the homepage from Microsoft and just select your language and download the program or whatever it is and install it. After that, download the toolbar and install the toolbar too. So if you've done that, open the toolbar and plug in your USB flash drive. So then double click on PS3, double click on save data, double click on this folder here. So select your right folder. That are other folders with the prestige hack for every prestige, but we need that folder. So then we need the save game file, that one. Then go to your toolbar and click on clear save game. Then go to your USB flash drive, click on PS3, click on save data on the next folder, and then you will find save game. So click on it and open it. Call it save game again. Okay, then load the same file and open it. So that's done. So then click on CVARS, and there you will find many modes like aimbot, but one mode doesn't work, that's the all weapons mode. It doesn't work. So select the modes you want, and here you can change your jump height to 999 and click save settings. So, and here you can type in any other mode if you know one, like jump height, just to show you one, 999, but we don't need that, so we remove it, because on CVRS we got jump height to 999. So just click save settings and click save game. The file, call the file save game, and click OK and close all the stuff. Okay, back to PlayStation 3. Plug in your USB flash drive and with the new save data, and copy the new save data from your USB flash drive to your PlayStation 3. If you've done that, just start Modern Warfare 2. So as you can see with the toolbar, it's very easy to hack the single player. Just select the mode you want and save the settings. Okay, if you copied the save data to your PlayStation 3, go again to the campaign from Modern Warfare 2, and it's very important, click on continue, so that you start the same mission like before.
Geschichte der Menschheit. Jeder Kampf gehört uns.
So yes, let's have fun. We got aimbot, we got laser pointer, we got the jump mode, we got unlimited ammo. So that are just a couple of modes we can use. So I think that's pretty cool. You can also use it in the special ops. Just do the same thing with the special ops. So, and for one thing, you can use it online and on the multiplayer. So I think that's very good, because that would be sucked online. So yes, that was the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Yes, so make a comment, rate it. That's very important, rate it, make a comment, whatever you want to say, and of course subscribe to my channel, Deluxe Ballas. So my name is Randy and I'm German, so my English isn't so good, but see you soon on my next tutorial. Bye.
Ziel ist ein weißes 12-stöckiges Apartmentgebäude. Planquadrat 252171. Gebäude muss zerstört werden. Roger. Auf der Brücke oben auf 10 Uhr. Mehrere Ziele. Ausschalten.
Bestätigt, Hunter 2-1. Angriff wird eingeleitet. Ziel erfasst.